Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dargan and today we are checking out one of the more interesting Tamashii releases that they unveiled the other day. Not only are they re-releasing the Shin Godzilla quote-unquote evolution set, is what I'm calling it, but they're releasing it as a complete package with the Unidentified sea creature, which is Shin Godzilla's first form, which will be going over their price and release date. This set also features new paint applications that better reflect the movie, and I want to first point out, I know everyone's giving this fella the side eye right now, but I want to bring to everyone's attention that I came across this display right here where they were showing off the movie graphic plus figures, which was interesting, where we can see what that third form Shin Godzilla looks like under some natural lighting, which this does not look as burnt and crispy as we first thought. Say what you will about the sculpt, this is the original sculpt from the first release. I am a big fan of these paint apps, but some may prefer the original, but with quality control, we'll just have to see what these look like in hand. But first impressions, I'm thoroughly impressed. I love the detail on the spines, just even the highlights of the little red on the leg and elbows and the back of the tail. It just all looks very nice. But of course, this is a display model, so we shall see. Now, taking a look at his first form, this really came out of nowhere. No one was expecting this. Even though it's just a tail, it has some nice articulation and some fairly decent paint apps. Like, it looks really cool. Like, I like this, but I think it looks strange looking at it next to all of the forms because of just how large it is. I know we never really get to see his first form, but I don't know if this is actually size accurate or not. Maybe some mathematician down in the comments can shine some light on this. But having all four of them right here together does look amazing. Shin Godzilla 4th form is a separate release, part of the Movie Graphic Plus line of figures that they have been releasing. He's up for pre-order on most retailers. I think I have him pre-ordered through AmiAmi.com. But you can try looking on Entertainment Earth and Big Bad Toy Store, and maybe even Godzilla.com. You know, perhaps I shouldn't say complete set because this doesn't come with his 4th form, but the Unidentified creature set will be releasing between July and August in Japan, which I would assume would be around a September to October release date for the US and other parts of the world. The listed price for this set is $99.54 USD, which is not bad at all. So this is great for everyone who missed out on these figures, because on the aftermarket, just for the second and third form, you're looking at around $400, which is absolutely absurd. Which this is just a eBay listing, but you can see what the original paint applications look like. They aren't absolutely terrible, but they're definitely inaccurate. Maybe not so much the second form, but this new release looks so good. Here's the second form with his little stubby arms. Didn't even know those were semi-articulated. Like I said, I have not had these figures in hand myself, but the sculpt does look immaculate. Here we have another shot of the second form. These are quite small as well, so keep that in mind when looking at these paint applications. These are also promotional images. One thing people want to nitpick about Tamashii Nation's paint applications is they don't consider the scale at which these figures are. Shin Godzilla is a decent size for a figure, probably about the size of your average Monsterverse Godzilla. So you can really see how small second form Godzilla is right here. Even third form is rather short, but they do have some rather nice detail packed into these nonetheless. This is definitely one of my more anticipated releases for 2026. And in here, real quick, someone posted a screenshot of Shin Godzilla 3rd form where we can see how dark he really is with the intended lighting from the movie, for those saying that he does look too crispy. But right here, he looks a lot more in between his 4th form with that color tone. So overall, I wouldn't say this is too bad at all. Even if you're trying to grasp for straws, this is not too inaccurate from the movie. But let's just hope the paint is as sharp as these promotional images, because more or less this is what we're going to get. But I think that's going to do it for this video. If you liked what you saw, a like always helps me out. Drop a comment down below, sharing your thoughts, criticisms, all that good stuff on these figures, and let me know what y'all want to see. But my name's Dargan, and as always, have an amazing day.